Hello students, today we will be going over H2.4 and H2.4 matrices on the TI-84 calculator. Okay, our objective, I can multiply matrices on the graphing calculator. Okay, so first we're going to learn how to enter matrices in the calculator. So you have your calculator here that's turned on. So what we want to do is go to second and then this x to the negative 1. So if you push the second, x to the negative 1, whoops. So second, x to the negative 1. That should bring this up. Next, we're going to go over to edit. We want to highlight it on A. So we're going to edit a matrix. Okay. Next, we need to figure out what is our size of our matrix. So here we see it's 2 rows by 3 columns. So it's a 2 by 3. So you have this and you go 2, enter, 3, enter. And there it brings up a 2 by 3. Now we're going to enter these numbers that match. So we're going to put -1 in the first spot, enter. And it automatically goes to the next one. 5, enter. -2, enter. Now we're at the bottom left. That's a 3, enter. A 7, enter. And a 7, enter. And there it goes back to the beginning right there. So now we're going to put in B. So B is a 3 by 2. Ask yourself first of all if that can be multiplied. So A is a 2 by 3 and B is a 3 by 2. So can they be multiplied? Well, let's check. Does the column of this one match the row of that one? Yes. And your solution should be a what? 2 by 2. And I may erase that to write the answer, but we'll see. Okay? So we've got matrix A entered in like this. Next, we have to get matrix B to be entered. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to go back to second and our matrix. Now we have an A that's defined as a 2 by 3. We're going to go down to B and go over to edit. Oh, if it goes back to A, we go back down to B. Making sure you're editing B. Enter. And what is B? B is a 3 by 2. So it's a 3 by 2. Now we want to put our numbers in. 4, 0, 1, 1, and 3, 9. And there you have matrix B. Okay. Next, we are going to go ahead and clear that out. We don't clear out the matrices, so we should have that. Now, we are going to clear it out. Oh, we don't want to clear that. So let's go second, and let's see, what was it? I think it was second mode to quit. See where it says quit right there? So second and then quit. So that brings you here. Then we are going to select matrix A and matrix B in the names menu to find the product. From the blank screen, press second right here, the blue, and then the matrix right here with this X right here to the -1 right there. Okay, and that brings it up. I'm going to enter A. Okay. Next, we're going to go back and select B. So I'm going to go second to the matrix there and go to B. Push enter. Now you should see A and B in brackets. Now when I push equals, it should multiply. Okay, so there is our 2 by 2 matrix for A times B. Okay. So we need to go ahead. It looks like that's already, is that already on your paper, or do you need to write that down? I need to get a blue paper to see. Hold on. Okay. All right. Yep, it's in there for you. Let's go ahead and continue. Because the answer's already there on your paper. If you get a common error dim mismatch, that means did you enter the correct matrix information and did you select the correct matrices to multiply? Also, is the product defined? And that goes back to here. If I have a 2 by 2 and this is a 3 by 2, then that would be undefined. So you always have to make sure the first column matches up with the row on the second. Okay? All right, we're going to go on to H2.5. I don't think there's much else to do other than watch this video and know how to do it easy on the graphing calculator. You can do it, students. You rock.